We talked about bespoke earlier, but it's worth reiterating just how far Rolls Royce will go to make your car truly your own. This isn't just about choosing from a few pre-selected options, it's about working with designers and craftsmen to create something completely unique. Want a picnic basket that perfectly matches your car's interior? No problem. Want a humidor for your cigars, complete with a built-in humidifier? They can do that too. The point is, if you can dream it, Rolls Royce can probably build it. They've got a team of craftspeople who are like wizards with leather, wood, and metal. This is your chance to create a car that's a true reflection of your personality. Now, for all the talk of luxury and craftsmanship, let's not forget that Rolls Royces are still cars. And cars are meant to be driven. And when it comes to performance, Rolls Royces are no slouches. Underneath those long, elegant hoods lie some of the most powerful engines in the world. We're talking V12 engines with twin turbochargers, capable of propelling these luxury liners from 0 to 60 in times that would shame many a sports car. But here's the thing. Rolls-Royce performance isn't about neck-snapping acceleration or tire-smoking burnouts, it's about effortless power, gliding from a standstill to motorway speeds with the smoothness of a hot knife through butter. Let's be honest, there's a certain something about owning a Rolls-Royce that goes beyond just having a nice car. It's a statement, it's a symbol of success, of achievement, of having arrived in life. When you roll up to a fancy hotel in a Rolls-Royce, people notice. When you park it outside a Michelin-starred restaurant, heads turn. And when you step out of one, well, let's just say you command a certain level of respect. Owning a Rolls-Royce is an experience unlike any other.